I'm Sim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you an easy way to delete your credit card off of your Android phone. So if you have this on your Google account, just swipe down from the top right. And we're looking for something called a wallet. So it's going to be one of these widgets. So I can see it right here. I can just hold down on it or just tap it. And this will bring you to your Google Wallet. So you can download this app too if you don't already have it. But you want to add to your credit card at some point. You should see it pop up. You can just select the three lines on it. And it should delete it. There should be an option to delete it off your account. So if you don't have this, you can go to the Google Play Store. Just type in Google Wallet. Probably Wallet is fine. So you probably are using this by accident on other Google devices too. So you can just open this up. Here's Google Wallet now. So just get this app right here. Open it up. And then you'll see your credit card on your Google account and you can delete it. So you can also use this for like auto paying stuff. I've never used it before, but I think you can just scan your phone somewhere and it'll pay for it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.